toy pug, so she's really tiny. She's a tiny pug.
To do, you know, I have no control over it.
It's my show, but I'm never there.
I wanted to encapsulate sound from many different perspectives. I wanted to study the linguistics of sound. I wanted to understand the physics of sound. And then I want to understand the theoretical aspect of sound. And I also want to understand...
it's just it's outstanding.
We'll have to get some.
Being called a hokey? Was that what it's called?
It's called a hokey.
Picks us up. He says, all right, get back on that fence where you belong. Now, and he's turning to him.
Want the windfall? I just want the, the great escape. I want the, the lighthouse tower to...
You want desserts?
I won't implode. I won't implode, but I might eat something. Wiener.
The very tippy top, my way. Yeah.
Okay. So you have some serious repercussions. Isn't that right?
That's right. You can.
And I communicate with people. You know,
at this point, it doesn't really matter anymore where I got my training. The training, I think that
perception. I got into composing and arranging. And
you ready?
I have no idea.
It's my show.
Killing it, boy, killing it.